students and everyone, this is our next video on three-phase circuit. This is basically a star connected network. Okay, a three-phase 400 volt generator supplies a star connected load of 1.8 kilowatt at a line current of 10 ampere. Determine the resistive and reactive component of load. That means यहाँ आपको क्या करना है, RPH और XPH की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. आपको लाइन वोल्टेज दिया हुआ है 400 वोल्ट का, आपको लाइन करंट कितना फ्लो हो रहा है वो दिया हुआ है 10 एम्पियर का, पावर लोड कितना कंज्यूम कर रहा है या फिर जनरेटर कितना पावर लोड को सप्लाई प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, तो वो 1.8 किलोवाट का पावर दिया हुआ है. ओके, तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमको RPH और XPH फाइंड आउट करके देना है. स्टार कनेक्टेड लोड है. एज द लोड इज स्टार कनेक्टेड, तो सबसे पहले हम स्टेप 1 में क्या कर रहे हैं, VPH की वैल्यू यानी फेज वोल्टेज की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, है ना. एज द लोड इज स्टार कनेक्टेड, so we know the formula related with the star connected network, that is VPH is equal to VL by root 3, है ना. VPH is equal to 400 divided by root 3, VPH is equal to this value. Okay, step number 2 में IPH आपको मिल जाएगा, because in star connected network the line current and the phase current are remain same or they are equal to each other. That means IL is equal to IPH is equal to 10 ampere, because in numerical you have already got the value of line current, that is 10 ampere. Step number 3, you can find out the power factor, because we need the power factor value when we find out the value of RPH. It is must for us to find out the power factors value. Okay, that is cos phi, है ना. We know P is equal to root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. So power, you in numerical already given that the power of 1.8 kilowatt given to the load. That means cos phi is equal to formula will be P is equal P upon root 3 into VL into IL. Okay, that is, you have to remember this formula, because if this type of numerical comes, you have to solve it according to that only. Okay, this particular steps only is equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power 3 root 3 into 400 into 10. This is the value of cos phi, that is 0.25. Okay, this is the power factor value. नेक्स्ट है आपके पास यहाँ पे स्टेप नंबर 4, टू फाइंड इम्पीडेंस पर फेस. ओके, इससे ZPH इज इक्वल टू VPH अपॉन IPH. यू नो दैट द फार्मूला फॉर दैट. for per phase impedance 230.94 upon 10, ZPH is equal to 23.094 ohm. Step number 5, to find the resistive component, most important. Okay, that is the main finding quantity which is already given in numerical, to find the resistive and the reactive component. That means this last two step is more important. Okay, and if we are not finding out the previous steps values, then we cannot be able to find out the RPH and the XPH. Okay, so to find resistive component, that is RPH, we know cos phi is equal to RPH upon ZPH. So RPH is equal to formula will be ZPH into cos phi. This is the value of RPH. To find reactive component XPH, तो ZPH का square is equal to RPH का square plus XPH का square. According to this, you will get the formula for XPH and you will find out the value. Okay, so most important is that you must know how to find out the particular value. Okay, if you don't understand, then you will consider the numerical as a most typical numerical, but it is very simple numerical. So do the practice at home, stay at home, stay safe, because lockdown is continuously increasing and increasing. Okay, hope you are doing well. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Like the video, share with your friends and ask them to subscribe it. Okay, thank you very much.